Alright, so today we're going to be opening up another mystery box, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Pop Smoke with AP. Song just came out. I like it personally. Don't think it's his best work, but it's really good. Go listen to it. And yeah, let's open up this mystery box. Okay, so here we got the mystery box. I've already opened it up, and I'm gonna be kind of fast with this video because, it's a small box. There's nothing crazy that's gonna be in here. We got the 2 shirts. And let's see if there's anything else in there. Oh, yes, there is. So let's take that all out. And yeah, let's just go one by one. First, we have the little card. Next, we have Feel Real sticker. Pretty decent. And then we also have another sticker. I would say this is actually my favorite sticker I've ever gotten from him. It's really cool. I like it personally. And we also have blue rope laces, and realistically I'm not going to use these, but if I were to put a price on it, if you would buy it on Amazon or in a store or something like Walmart, I would say it's around $5 to, I don't know, $7, around there. Not exactly sure how much it would be, but I would think it would be around there. But yeah, blue laces, I'm not going to wear them, but I think it would look good with some Yeezys that have came out recently. Next, we have the 2 shirts. We have this one right here. It just says Feel Real since 1996, just all black. We're gonna take those out in a second. And we also have this one right here, which I think out of the 2, this one's the better one. So yeah, let me take these all out and show you guys. Okay, so I took both of the shirts out, and I don't know if you can tell, this one is not the right size. It's actually a size medium. Should be no issue though. I'll just send them an email and I'm sure we'll figure something out. Overall though, I like the design. I'll probably give it to somebody. And the other shirt is just all black, Feeling Real. Nothing too crazy. Kind of sucks that it's the wrong size, but shit happens. It hasn't happened before, so it's not like it happens all the time. But yeah, let me set right back in front of the camera and give you guys my final thoughts on this. Okay, so do I think this mystery box is worth it? In a way, yes. You do get $50 worth of value with the 2 shirts, and you do get a couple extra things, which, value wise, yes, it's technically worth it. Now the real question is, do I like everything that came in the box? For me, that's a no. I like the stickers that came in the box. I think those are pretty cool, but at the end of the day, they are just stickers. The rope laces, I'm never gonna use these, but if I did have a Yeezy that was this color or something, I would 100% use them. So I think this is a pretty good item to put in a box. I just got unlucky with the color. This shirt over here, I do think is pretty decent. It's not terrible. Quality is actually pretty good, so no complaints there. I would say I like this shirt a lot more than the other one. It just sucks that it isn't in my size. Do want to say also that I have had other issues in the past with them, and we have been able to resolve everything relatively fast, so there's no doubt in my mind that I will get another shirt in the future. So at the end of the day, it is up to you. If you are going to buy this mystery box, you do get $50 worth of value, and it is pretty cool to unbox everything. Let me know what you guys think about this mystery box below in the comments. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and thank you for watching. Bye.